title, The Marvelous World of Hippos. In the heart of Africa's rivers and lakes, the hippopotamus, or hippo, makes its home. These large, mostly aquatic creatures are among the heaviest on land, only surpassed by elephants and some rhinos. Hippos spend up to 16 hours a day submerged in water to keep their massive bodies cool under the hot African sun. A hippo's life revolves around water. They are excellent swimmers and can hold their breath for about 5 minutes underwater. At dusk, they leave the water to graze on grasses, traveling several miles and consuming about 80 pounds of grass each night. Physical characteristics of hippos include a large, barrel-shaped body, a nearly hairless skin, short legs, and a huge mouth. Their mouths, which can open nearly 4 feet wide, contain large canine tusks. These tusks are not for eating, but are used defensively in fights and to establish dominance within their groups. Hippos live in groups called pods, which can consist of anywhere from a few to dozens of individuals. The social structure of a pod revolves around females and their young, while males may lead the group or live solitarily. The life of a hippo is closely tied to its habitat, with activities centered around the wet and dry seasons of Africa. Conservation efforts are crucial for hippos due to habitat loss and illegal hunting for their ivory-like teeth and meat. Understanding and protecting the natural environments of the hippopotamus is essential for ensuring their survival in the wild. Despite their seemingly docile appearance while lounging in the water, hippos are considered one of the most aggressive animals in the world. They are highly territorial in the water, where both males and females vigorously defend their space against intruders. This aggressiveness is primarily a defensive behavior to protect their young and their territory. Communication among hippos is complex, involving a variety of sounds, such as grunts, wheezes, and deep bellowing roars. These vocalizations are not only crucial for maintaining the social hierarchy within pods, but also help in coordinating activities like feeding and mating. At night, the sounds of hippos communicating can be one of the dominant noises along African rivers. Reproduction in hippos takes place in the water. After an 8-month gestation, a female hippo will leave the pod to give birth in a secluded area of the river. The calf, weighing between 50 to 110 pounds, must be able to swim to the surface on its own, to breathe air shortly after birth. Mother and calf will stay isolated for several days before rejoining the pod, with the mother fiercely protecting the calf from crocodiles and other threats. Hippos play a critical role in their ecosystem. Their large size and habits affect the physical environment. For example, their paths through vegetation help to maintain open channels in wetlands, which helps other animals access water. Furthermore, their droppings enrich the aquatic ecosystem with nutrients, although this can sometimes lead to excessive algae growth and reduce oxygen levels in the water, affecting fish populations. Efforts to conserve hippos involve protecting their natural habitats and regulating hunting. Many African countries have established wildlife reserves where hippos are protected, but challenges remain due to habitat degradation and the illegal ivory trade. Educating local communities about the value of hippos and the ecological roles they play can also help in reducing human-hippo conflicts. Understanding these fascinating creatures is not only important for their preservation, but also enriches our knowledge of Africa's diverse and complex ecosystems. The hippopotamus, with its unique lifestyle and behaviors, continues to fascinate and remind us of the intricate connections within the natural world. User, as the environment continues to change, both naturally and due to human influence, the hippopotamus faces increasing challenges. Climate change impacts water levels in rivers and lakes, affecting the habitat that is crucial for hippos' survival. During periods of drought, hippos can suffer from reduced access to their primary food source, grass, leading to malnutrition and decreased reproductive rates. Additionally, shrinking water bodies can lead to overcrowded conditions, increasing the likelihood of disease and conflict within pods. Conservationists are also concerned about the impact of water pollution on hippo populations. Industrial, agricultural, and domestic waste can contaminate the water bodies where hippos live, affecting their health and the aquatic plants they rely on for food. Effective waste management and stricter regulation of pollutants are essential to preserve the water quality in these habitats. Community involvement is another crucial aspect of hippo conservation. By involving local communities in the efforts to protect hippos, conservationists can help ensure sustainable coexistence. Educational programs that teach about hippo behavior, their role in the ecosystem, and the benefits of biodiversity can help foster a positive relationship between humans and hippos. Additionally, ecotourism provides a financial incentive for communities to invest in the protection of hippos and their habitat. Technology is also playing a role in the conservation of hippos. Researchers use satellite tracking and drones to monitor hippo populations, study their movement patterns, and keep tabs on the health of their habitats. This data is vital for making informed decisions about how to best protect these animals and their environments. In conclusion, the future of the hippopotamus depends on a combination of scientific understanding, community engagement, and proactive conservation strategies. As stewards of the planet, it is our responsibility to ensure that future generations will also be able to witness the incredible sight of hippos lounging in the waters of Africa's rivers and lakes, playing a vital role in their ecosystems. By working together, we can help secure a safer habitat for the hippos and maintain the biodiversity that is crucial for a healthy planet.